Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done a couple of videos today on this, and then I was just truly playing around that would make a pretty cool pattern. I've made this, it's all grouped together. I hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to get an ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. You can barely see it, but the ellipse is picked. So I'm going to go to Effects and Lens and do a fisheye on this. Look at that. Now I'm going to freeze it or frozen, and then I'm going to right click and take away the outline. Now we can reduce this, and we'll do it the 2-inch like we've been doing the other one. Control D and make a duplicate. Probably need to mirror it to make it match up. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Now we've still got our set on 2, so I'm going to hit the plus key and do it twice, and then Control D, and it'll move it over 2 more. Now we can Control D and make it move it down and mirror that up and down. I don't know what that shading is, but it's just part of the graphic. I mean, I don't know how else you could draw that that's any better. And then, of course, you could just grab it again. Having a little trouble. There's a bunch going on right now, so it's acting up with my laptop. But grab this entire thing, Control D, and move it down twice. And look at that. I don't know what that shadow looks like because it doesn't appear. It's just the lines in this. But that's a really cool seamless pattern with the fisheye tool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.